Morgen, ik is Bart van Damme uit België. Ik is de specialist voor die stroper en die kalverkerver. So we have our FR forage harvester here. On this machine we have the 8 row or 6 meter row independent corn header. We also have the wider version up to 9 meter. We have the 7.5 meter and the 4.5 meter. It can go left and right with the lateral tilt system, automatically or manual, depending on the option you have taken. So after we are doing corn harvest, we can also use a grass pickup for grass and alfalfa. We have 3 meter version, 3.8 meter version, and then we can also fit the direct cut header of 6 meter, which is the most common size of direct cut headers for direct cutting of green weeds, green wheat for example, and other short crops. We have the widest feed rolls in the industry, 860 millimeter, to have the best feeding capacity and best chopping quality. So the bottom feed roller has 6 metal detectors. So this will help the guy that is following with the truck or the tractor to find that piece of metal very fast. So this machine is equipped with the double drive system. We have the hydro motor here that is running the header. So this gives an advantage for wider headers to have more horsepower. And also when you have a grass pickup, you can run your auger depending on your crop swat that are coming in the machine. So it will increase your capacity of the machine. On top of that, I have the stone detector here. So the stone detector is a mechanical device to protect your machine so no stones can come in. After that, I have the main drive line from my forage harvester. Behind this cover, I have that white 8V belt that runs the whole cutter head. The cutter head is inside of the machine. It's weighing 700 kilograms. So it gives you big momentum. It's doing 13,000 cuts a minute by 2 times 12 knives. And because of that heavy weight, even with an uneven load or uneven crop, the chopping quality remains the best with this machine. So for fueling, very easy. On this side I have my fuel tank. Up here I got my air filter I can easily take out to clean. Around the machine I have different LED bars to make sure I can do a nice maintenance in the dark, in the evening, at night. So thanks to the position of the engine longitudinal, you can easily go around the engine to do the maintenance and to check your oil levels, change filters, etc. Again, thanks to the longitudinal engine, we have a very sharp turning angle with the machine. There is a lot of room. We can go up to 55 degrees for steering. That means if we are chopping 8 rows or 6 meter, if we come at the head length, we can go in one turn and take the next 6 meter to cut without backing up. So our optional additive tank is 400 liter. Easy to fill, make it clean with the filter. After that we have the pump, electric pump, and the filter system and the pressure system. So no issues on dirt or whatever. The pump is working only when the header is down in working position and when the machine is running. And depending on the speed, the additive application will change also that flow. So you never waste any additive. So here you can see into the machine we are bringing in that additive into the blower to have a good mixture with your crop. So with a 2x12 cutting drum, a 2x12 knife cutting drum, I'm able to cut between 4 up to 22 millimeter. And when I remove 2 times 6 knives for grass, I cut up to 44 millimeter. This is all controlled from the cap, the length of cut. Then up here, you can see the grinding system, our adjustomatic system. So from the cap, I will sharpen my knives. On this machine is equipped with the reverse sharpening system. Thanks to the reverse sharpening system, I have a longer lifetime of my knife. So in the morning or the evening, I do reverse sharpening. And in the daytime, if I don't, for example, 1000 ton, I can do a forward quick sharpening to keep that nice length of cut. Also from the cap, the shear bar is electronically adjusted. So you don't have to come out of the cap to do your right setup for your length of cut. So this sensor is giving us yield monitoring. So this machine is equipped with moisture sensor and yield monitor. For those long warm days, 50 degrees and more, we have our big cooling package to make sure we can keep going in those hot conditions. Big aircon, big intercooler, big water cooler, big oil cooler. So welcome to the service area. Here I have the driveline of the crop processor. That's my only second bell I use for chopping. All the rest is hydraulic driven. The big advantage of our crop processor system on the New Holland forage harvester is that we can take out the crop processor out of the product flow. We call it the vari-flow system. So for those customers that are doing corn and grass or alfalfa on the same day, you don't have to take out that crop processor. After that, my crop is coming into the spout, into the trailer. So this machine is equipped with the abrasive kit, the tower, at the cutter head, everywhere we have wearing plates. They are all abrasive plates. This will give you longer lifetime on your machine before you have to change those wearing plates. So the machine is equipped with central greasing. So all the grease points around the machine are controlled by the central greasing system. Again, this will give you a longer lifetime of your machine and keep your machine in top condition. The only thing you need to do is check your level. So here we have our big spout. It has a 210 degrees turning angle, goes up to 6.4 meters for those big trailers and big trucks. For winter maintenance, we can easily open the two big doors that are pivoting open. So you can easily clean out your last crop that's in the machine. You can do your wear plate check. On top of that, on the spout here, I have my moisture sensor, which can be easily removed to check, to control. So I'm checking my moisture with this device. Welcome to my office. We have a special designed forager harvester cap on the new Holland FR. Instead of a straight door, we go up in the back 20 centimeters on both sides. We have rounded windows, so we have a 360 degrees view to have the best view around your machine, to fill your trailers left and right, behind you, in front of you. You always need to have the best view to have the best performance of your operator. Then down here I have the color screen. Standard I have one screen. For those people who want more information, we can fit a second screen. Certainly the guys that do a lot of guidance and mapping, they can have a second screen there. On the right hand side I have all the buttons, fingertip controlled for spout up and down, speed adjustments, opening adjustments, all as close to my fingers, so I can easily adjust. Throttle control, joystick, all controls, spout up and down, left, right, flipper up and down, header up and down, all those things are down here. So easy for those long days of operation. Got the radio in my office, I got the airco module, heating and cooling system, and also all my lights are here in the light panel to control work lights, road light, flashlight.